friends, welcome back to my channel for a Christmas home tour today, and welcome to our new house. We recently moved to North Carolina. We bought a new home, and this is my first video in our new house. It has taken me quite a while to get unpacked and settled in and decorated and get everything how I want it, and there's still some things that we need to do, but it's finally almost getting there. And I got it all decorated for Christmas, so I hope you enjoy a little home tour today. This year my theme was an elegant, old-fashioned inspired Christmas, and I kind of pulled together inspiration from Victorian influence as well as some French country influence and an old European feel as well. And of course, a few little whimsical accents sprinkled in here and there, as I usually tend to do. But I hope you like today's home tour and it gives you some Christmas decor vibes. I'm sure everyone already has their decor up, but I still hope you enjoy the music, and I will just set this tour to some music, and I hope it gets you in a cozy and festive mood and that you are all excited for Christmas. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I hope to be back soon in the new year with some home decor and homemaking videos for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour, and thanks so much for watching.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne.